There's another one going the wrong way up a one-way street. And there's one cycling on the pavement. Bloody moron. And another one jumping the lights. Nearly got himself run over. Better luck next time. Jumping the lights. Jumping the lights. Jumping the lights. And there's one cycling on the pavement. And there's one cycling on the pavement there. Another one cycling on the pavement. And a couple more plonkers on the footpath. Another one there cycling on the pavement. And there's one on the pavement there. Jumping the lights! Wanker! And another one on the pavement. Dickhead. Dickhead cycling on the pavement. Oh, he's cycling on the pavement. Oh, he's jumped the lights, this one. Look at that. Obviously he doesn't know what traffic lights are for. What's that twat doing? On the wrong side of the road, now he's on the pavement. Whoa, another scumbag on the pavement. Another one cycling on the pavement. There's one on the pavement. What a plonker! You absolute muppet! Another one cycling on the pavement there. Jumping the lights and on the pavement. What a dick. Jumping the lights. There's a twat cycling on the pavement there. Oh, he's figured out what the road's for. Well done. Look at that. Didn't even stop. Another one jumping the lights. Too busy looking at her phone. Don't even look where she's going. Jumping the lights. There's another twat on the pavement.